na okubulia nigo kogendete kurwegwa gochia asabebuli igoro yobya bogosomia omwana nabo igo oyo bwango iga gwesoke nako no mokonyi bomugachi ase kiombeki abali mukianate asirete Kennedy Nyamwanda uyu nyaraka bwakobolie nabo igo gosegeta abali mu ECD konyaraka bakolikwa asobonge usizebiranga bisaine ime ye county eyo ya Nyamira muri kitofati ka Disemba nigatwalega ndi roboti urwo asenjira yobwekerano
maega y'ekisukuru gochaka kwiranirirwa n'amasomo maega y'omutimoko omoke nigo abaibori bagenderete kuburirwa kubika omukia ase ogosomia abana asikiria batebiwe omochi omwana asomete nigo nonya nekenyero ekyo yekoraba
chisemi na kitugutamira biasara mbiyo biri biyabu na chisemi noni amatoke boire n'ekingende go Kisumu onye bana ambasometi aesi na wogo paki oli magega nali nkubatebiga minyoka na ile somi ya bana umwana gaseri wevi efis minyoka bake skuru kwana ne principal kwana omwiri teacher sabero umwana libaga umwana asome
kubatikana nayo nigo mokonyi bw'omugachi ase kiombeki abarimu kianat ime yensi ya Kenya omusike Kennedy Nyamwanda oyoboigo uri oyomobo asibaria bararirie eganga yabo yogochia kurwanirira oboseneta bwa Nyamira nigo boigo arorekana komocha eserikali ya Nyamira ase okobangora aso kubarika abarimu ba ECD abo bakoroisia oboroso bw'omwana kare omoke
ECD. Madam Claire, you are not in charge of these ECDs under the county government, but there is an issue. Our schools at PP1 and PP2 are poorly understaffed. The reason why the county is not performing well. The county government otwoli nora iramangana iyo tegyo mugaba nali kabali baisine bana sanali abana baitborasi baro musingi omuya
Kurwase ensemo yaye sub county director bw'ekisemi ase sub county eyo ya Nyamirano Madam Kirea Oyula nigo amatogia omworokiwa oyo konya ogosoma omwaka omutangani ase semester ya kabere ase university eyo ya South Eastern Kenya University emanyikaine buna seku bona n'omwana konya orokirie ogosemeria ase abaibori naboigo abantu bekenyoro.
What we need to do now, let us remember this family in prayer, because that is only what will make them strong. Yeah, we know how painful it is. Losing a child is not something easy. But with God, they are going to walk the journey and they are going to be very strong. So he was a very promising boy, full of love, and he was really a friend to many. So Mungu amesema aende apumzike. All of us, thank you, Bishop. You've given us a very good word that is comforting. Let us all mend our ways with God, because we don't know the time, the hour when we can leave this earth.
Naboigo kurwase ensemo ya siasa nigo musike Nyamwanda ateba ajaiga.
Final y'abantu bamito komnyokando bo senator ande kumuranja ingege mpeki 2027. Mbiyamano sana.
Kingo reporter ya Getembe kurwaiga ikonge ejuwe gotoka imeye wodi ya Ekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefa Atikad Hisemba.